welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make this amazing chocolate or chocolate truffles, as you saw it in the title already. And if you are new here, welcome here. My name is Yvette and we do videos just like this one with Vince, who is missing today, but he is my partner in crime. And we do recipes, cake videos, basic keto and how-to videos, basically how to maintain a keto and low-carb lifestyle on a long term. I'm also a certified keto coach and we are going to have a group coaching from the 1st of September and I would love to have you there. I'm gonna take you from not knowing anything about health and weight loss to the point that you know how to manage your health and how to lose weight efficiently. So that's the purpose of the group coaching program. It's 6 weeks for $189. We intentionally made it like this so most of you can enroll on this program. And now let's head to chocolate making. You need the following ingredients. You need cacao butter. I am using this brand Sun Food. It's organic and it's really tasting nice. You need 2 cups of that, 2 cups of cacao powder, vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup of sweetener, and a double boiling system on a way that you pour water in the lower pot and then put another one on it, and then the steam will melt your cacao butter and chocolate together. Alright, I put it on medium heat and now I will just pour the cacao butter and let it melt. Now you can see it fully melted together, and now I will add the cacao powder slowly and keep stirring and mixing. I will add the sweetener and I will add our vanilla. Alright, I will leave it a little bit so the sweetener can melt as well, and then we will use a hand mixer to get rid of all these little chunks in it, and then we will put it into a mold. Alright, it seems melted together very well by now, and on the end I added more sweetener because it was just too bitter for our taste, so just add as much sweetener as you feel like. And now I will take it off the stove, mix it well together. I will use my hand mixer. Alright, you can see I prepared some molds. I have rose shaped ones, they're very cute, some hearts and some general usual truffle forms, and also little chocolate squares in this plastic mold. If you don't have one, I will link them in the description box below. And now I will pour our chocolate into this cup. It's just easier to work with it. Very good. And I will start to pour our chocolate into the roses. Very good. And now I just carry on with all the other molds, and I will do some chocolate squares as well. And I would like to add some hazelnuts and use a toothpick to mix it into the chocolate. And then you can do that with smashed hazelnut and just mix it into the chocolate. And even add a little bit more to make it pretty. And then you can add a little almond on top also. And if you like salty chocolate, then a little bit of salt. Alright, this is quite pretty, and now you pop it into the fridge. Alright, so the chocolates were in the fridge for about 2 hours and now they are perfectly formed. You can see this is a little rose. It's perfectly shaped, and I will just pop all of them out just like this, that you press them out and then they will all pop. just like this one. And now I have a bunch of chocolate rose truffles, as you can see, and I will pop these ones also. And what you do, you turn them upside down and then you a little bit press on the back, and voila, they're all out and super cute. So it's all done. It looks beautiful. Look at this chocolate bit. It's really yummy. And I made some orange chocolate hearts and it's just delicious. So don't forget to like, share, comment in this video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.